so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here for more. So this was a master demo of patterns 1 through 10 in our American Rumba syllabus. This is basically an example of us social dancing the patterns, so you get a taste of what you can learn individually and how you may or may not put them together. Of course, there's 1,000 different ways, but this is the way that we did it in this video, okay? If you'd like to learn each of the steps individually, slower paced, broken down, check out our website, ballroom.com. We teach everything on there, technique, all those things, and we break it all down for you, okay? We'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye.